Hi there, welcome to the clinician demo for the Sunnybrook Hospital MindMerge implementation. Today we're going to take you through 6 different sections. First is the clinical user setup and password recovery, which will show you how to access your account. The second is patient sign-up and registration, which shows you how to add patients. Third is physician workup and picture upload, which will show you how to prep for sessions and enter information for patients, including pictures. The fourth is MCC Round Console, which shows you how a session operates on the actual day. The last 2 sections, Individual Reports and Patient Search, will show you how to pull up records and information, as well as reports pertaining to your individual account or patients you've reviewed. In the first section, we want to show you how to set up your user and recover your password if you've forgotten it. When you get to the first page, you'll see a login like this where you can type in your email address and password. If you don't know how to access your account, or if you've been notified that your account has been set up and you want to select a password, simply click on the Forgot Your Password link. If you do this, you'll be prompted to enter your email and you click the button. You'll then receive an email at your registered email address that will direct you how to reset your password for the account. Once you've reset your password, retype your email address and your password and log in. If you're able to access this screen, it means your user account is set up and you're able to access MCCs. If you log in and you don't see any MCCs, or if you have trouble accessing your account, please feel free to contact support@verto.ca. In this second section, we'll show you how to sign up patients for future sessions. On this screen, you'll be able to select an MCC. Let's select the breast MCC. To set up a patient, all you have to do is go to the patient sign up and select a future session. Let's select June 28th. As you can see here, there might already be some patients registered. To register a new patient, scroll down to the very bottom and there should be an empty section with an Add Patient button right here. What you do here is type in the name of your new patient and select the responsible staff member. You'll notice a number of other elements you can add. Once you've filled this all out, click Add Patient, and the patient will be added to the next discussion session. In the next section, we'll show you how a physician can work up a patient prior to the session and upload relevant photos for the patient. To access Patient Workup, click Patient Workup and select the session you want to register for. And what it will do is show you a list of all the different fields for each patient. We're going to scroll down to the new patient we've just created. You'll notice that it only shows the initials of the patient here. In this section, what it lets you do is fill in all the information associated with the patient that you've added without actually changing their status inside the MCC Round Console. I'm going to fill out some example sections here. And you'll notice the background turns yellow once I start filling it in. If I click Submit Details, you'll see the background turn to blue to indicate that the information I've submitted has been saved. Now I want to select a few files to upload as photos. Alternatively, you can use your iPad to take a picture and upload it directly, or whatever mechanism you have. If you're also using an iPad or another device, you can just click on here instead of going into the menu to select the files. You'll see that you've successfully uploaded the photos when you see these gray boxes here. Once you've completed this section, you can leave it and all this information will be added for the discussion. This next section reviews the MCC Round Console. To get to the MCC Round Console, click on the MCC Round Console button here and select the session you want to participate in. If you want to add your attendance to the session, you can add via the bottom of this section here. Alternatively, you can make use of an iPad in the room to tap your attendance for your attendance to that session. If you're a clinician and you're just watching and following along with whatever's going on, be sure to click the Proceed as Clinician button here. However, if you're the main facilitator for this session, click the Physician Facilitator button at the top here. Most of the time when you start up the session, most of the patients will be down at the bottom in the pending section. As we can see, our new patient is down here. The intent of this section is to see which patients have been discussed and which patients are yet to be discussed. Let's click on our new patient down here. As you can see, the two images we uploaded are right here. When we click on them, we can navigate through them pretty easily. You'll also notice that the information that we typed has been captured in this section. As different sections are updated, you'll notice that they will turn yellow. And as soon as you click away from it, you'll notice that it turns blue. Once you fill in a recommendation, you'll notice that the patient name has jumped from the pending section to the completed section. Sections are done by simply going through the patient list, selecting the patients you've yet to discuss, and entering new information. If you need to add a new patient, you can click on the Add Patient button, enter a first name and last name, and the type of form you would like. You'll see the new patient appear here. You can click on the name and start entering their information. We do recommend that you start by selecting the appropriate staff member. The next section is a reporting module or individual reports. You can select reporting module here. Currently, there's only CME record of attendance. As the solution matures, all of the reports for individuals will be showing up here, including OHIP billing reports, as well as some general status reports for your patients on your roster. If you have any recommendations for new reports, please don't hesitate to contact your site administrator or support@verto.ca. The last section will be the patient search. Patient search is accessed through this button. In this patient search, you can use multiple criteria to select specific patients that you want information about. In this example, we're going to use primary MRN. We type in the MRN, and it will show you all the information associated with that MRN number. By clicking on any of these links, you can access and download the information associated with that patient. The last thing we would like to show people is how to customize their personal settings. To do so, click on your email address at the top of the screen, and you can choose your notification preferences and reset your password. This way you can manage the types of emails you get to your account. And remember, you can also reset your password on the front screen as well. This concludes our demo for MindMerge. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@verto.ca, that's support@verto.ca, or feel free to contact your disease site lead or administrator at your hospital. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope you enjoy using MindMerge.